Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use the AI art painter on TikTok. First, make sure that you are running the latest version of the TikTok app. You can check that on your app store. Once done, open your TikTok app, then tap on the plus sign here in the middle. This will enable you to create a TikTok video. Then simply click on Effects, then click on Search. Search for AI Painter, then select this one. After that, choose a photo that you want to transform into art. Then click on the record button. So that's it, guys. That's how you transform a photo into an art. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.